fish jumping.
Fish jumping. Okay.
Fish.
Oh.
Your top of your tree fell off. And then there's a bunch of like little monkeys and toucans.
Oh, I see them.
She drew like a sunset behind the vines.
It's
A sunrise.
A sunrise.
And then we did trees with branches and a little hill.
Okay, so we got 2 trees. We've got a waterfall. We've got, and she showed me the butterfly and the ladybug.
So the butterfly and the tree frog are on top of the tree.
I got it.
And then she did all these little branches on the trees.
Oh yeah.
These little things, and then we just glued little animals on top of the branches.
And then Mommy, we sprinkle a bunch of leaves and stuff.
Yeah, and then we just took like cut paper and sprinkled it on the bottom to make like leaves and sticks for.
That is so cute. Dayali, you did a fabulous job. That is awesome. Okay, let me see the full picture again. Back up.
Okay, hold on. Sorry.
Oh.
I left the refrigerator door open. It was.
Oh, okay. Let me see the full picture again. Oh, yeah. Okay, so right up front, in front of the waterfall, what is that? Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah. The flamingo?
No, yeah, a flamingo. Okay.
And an alligator.
Oh, the alligator, of course. Wow, that is such a good job. That is great. Is that a koala bear? What is that on the tree?
This is a woodpecker.
No, a woodpecker.
This one or this? This is like a little serval like a little cat.
And
this
the other
like some kind of monkey.
Oh, a monkey. Okay. That is super cute. I love it. She did a great job. I love that waterfall.
That was all her.
She did a great job. I'm so impressed.
They glue our alligator in again.
With the little alligator. That's so cute. Although, he would bite my head off, but, he's still cute.
He said that this was a nice environment. Everybody got along and everybody.
Or only herbivores and didn't eat anybody else.
Yeah.
No, the alligator wouldn't eat anybody. Oh, okay. So you picked out a nice alligator.
Thanks.
Not a people eating alligator. Okay. I like nice alligators.
Jumping your face.
Oh my goodness, that's great. Nayali, that's great. And your brother let you finish it without jumping on you?
Huh?
Your brother let you finish your project without jumping on you?
He was watching TV.
Oh, okay.
Mr. W.
You were saying, come say hi, Grandma.
Hey, Xavier. Hey, Xavier. It's Grandma. Hey, cutie pie. Doesn't he look cute? Don't you look so cute, fat man?
In your pants. You stinky.
It's Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hey. Xavier.
Pull on the paper. Let me pull on that paper.
He said, let me at her.
You get her? You say hi? Say hi. You say hi. Uh-oh, where'd she go?
Here we go.
Say hi. Say
Hi.
hi.
Hi. Hey, cutie pie.
You talking to her?
Hey, man. Don't you look so cute? Is he got on the same shirt as Ezra had on?
He does look like you. It's similar, but it's not the same. I try to make them look alike because I figure I'm only have a very small time.
Yeah.
Ezra actually wants to look like his brother, so
yeah, you're right. Oh, that's cool.
So there's Nolly, and then there's Ezra.
There's Azzy. Hey, Azzy.
You say hi, Grandma.
Ezra's shirt is navy blue.
Well, so is Xavier's. It's his is solid, where Xavier has multiple.
Yeah, that's so cute. Good job, Mommy. Hey, man, Xavier. Hey, cutie pie. Oh my goodness, are those Converses?
No, they're like they have little foxes on the tongue of them. Can you see it?
Oh, those are cute.
With their little high tops, huh?
Oh, that's so cute.
Say hi.
Okay, well,
Can you
I'm
clap?
about to head back in.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I love you.
Love you too. You want to say bye?
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Angie. I love you.
Stop.
Bye, Naomi. I love you.
Bye.
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
Okay. Love
Bye,
you.
Naomi. All right, bye-bye.